It's my favorite time of year, summer, and I am sharing my simple, small, itty-bitty home decorated for the summer months with a hint of patriotism because it is America's 250th anniversary, so I thought I would throw in a bit of Americana touch. There is some outdoor beauty brought in and some little crafty DIYs I use to decorate with. Outdoors, the flowers are blooming, the gardens are growing, all of the beautiful blossoms have come about, and I am bringing all of that into my simple home. I use a lot of outdoor beauty because it is cheap and free and it's lovely, and I just change it out for each week as the blossoms and blooms change with what is growing, but I also have faux. So in my entryway, I used just some faux eucalyptus and pulled out some little flags that I got from Amazon. It was like 12 little flags for $4. So you'll see those scattered throughout along with some other little Americano decorations, and put in to that is my simple floral decor. Most of my home is thrifted and just done up very simply. I think simple is best, especially as a mom of 4 littles and a family of 6 in a small space. So I hope you enjoy this home tour of my living area and our kitchen, and that you can find some inspiration for your simple summer home decor. The outside is where we are at often, so I just like to keep my home breathing what that emphasizes with the fresh flowers. So I found some vintage looking material that I use, some 10 by 10 inch squares that I found on Amazon that I incorporated into my home in that wreath there. And then I just did a simple DIY of about 5-inch long twine strings and tied some strips that I cut of that material and tied it around those twine pieces and then tied them together to kind of make a little banner. And I just love the little touch that it adds to my home. And of course, leaving my vintage books on the shelf, my thrifted picture frames, my other fun book finds that I found rummaging throughout the years, and just kind of kept it, like I said, simple. That is my theme for my home most of the time. About where I have found some of my items and how I've decorated this summer, you can go to my blog, daviekillian.com, where I'll share a few more details about my small home decorated for the summer months. kitchen, the heart of the home, the place that gets a lot of work and a lot of time spent in the later summer months. So right now, it is simply done up. I can't emphasize that word enough, simple. I just brought in a lot of cut flowers and just, again, a few hints of that American decor, patriotic decor, just very minimal because I don't do anything really to the extreme, over the top. So just kind of found it very nice to have that subtle red, white, and blue touch in the home and in the kitchen as well. So of course, those daisies, my favorite flowers, some of the yarrow coneflower, some little tansy, and even I think a little bit of alfalfa that I had growing somewhere. I just tucked into some vintage pictures that were thrifted, of course, and made that my simple decor for the kitchen too. Had to add some of my sweet smelling roses as well to the decor and some of my fresh blueberry, or this one is mixed berry sourdough bread. That recipe is over on my blog as well, and it is a hit for anyone I bring it to and for my family, as you'll see at the end of the video. Stealing a piece. That's what it's made for.